Today should be Luca's happiest day, but one empty chair beside the cake will hurt his heart.
It is my birthday today. I am 7, and I feel so happy. Why is the living room so bright this morning? This is for me. This is really for me. Happy birthday, Luca! We made the room special for you.
Happy birthday, my sweet boy. This day is for your big smile.
I have a surprise, but you must wait until cake time.
This is the best morning ever, and I want it to stay like this.
I understand. A big system stopped, and many people need help.
Is it work? Today is your day off.
There is an emergency at work, and I have to go for a little while.
But it is my birthday, Dad. You said you would stay today.
I know, buddy. I will work fast, and I will try to come back before the cake.
Dad loves you, Luca. Sometimes grown-up problems come at a bad time.
We can still make the party fun until Dad comes back.
Save me one big piece of cake, okay?
I will wait for him. He will come back.
The party was ready, but Luca's heart was still waiting at the door.
I am helping, but I still want Dad to see everything. Maybe Dad will open the door when we do not expect it. Dad is back! I know it is Dad! Happy birthday, Luca! Your house looks so cool today! Thank you, Ken. Come in. We are waiting a little more. Welcome, everyone! Please put your gifts on the table. Take one hat and please be careful near the cake table. It is already late. Dad said he would be fast. Catch it, Luca! This is your birthday game! I am playing, but I keep thinking about Dad.
He will come if he can, Luca. Please enjoy your friends now.
Come on, little brother. One game can make waiting fees shorter. I found 1 star, but I wish Dad saw me find it. I found 2 stars. We can share them if you want. No, thank you. I do not need help.
Maybe Dad is still fixing the big problem at work.
Maybe work is more important than me.
It is cake time now. Everyone, please come closer.
Can we wait 5 more minutes for Dad?
We can wait a little, but your friends are here for you too.
Dad is late, but this is still your birthday, Luca. Luca, can we eat the cake soon? It looks really good. Stop talking about cake. This is my party, not yours. I am sorry. I only wanted your birthday to feel happy.
Luca, you are angry at Dad, but Ken did not hurt you.
Everybody cares about cake, and nobody cares that Dad is not here. Ken came because he cares about you, not only because of cake.
Please say sorry to Ken before this hurt becomes bigger.
No. I do not want a birthday without Dad.
Everyone, please stay calm. Luca is having a hard feeling.
Maybe I should go home now. I only came to make Luca happy. I am sorry, Ken. Luca is hurt, but that was not fair to you.
Thank you for coming. I hope we can make this right later. A party can wait, but a hurt heart needs care first.
I think Luca is not only angry. I think he feels left behind.
You are right, but he still needs to learn how to say sorry.
Dad missed my birthday, and now everyone is mad at me. I did not mean to hurt Ken. I was just so sad. Dad does love me. He plays with me, even when he is tired.
Keep your eyes forward, Luca. I am right behind you.
You did not let go until I was ready.
Your favorite car can still be fixed. We just need patience.
He fixes small things for me, even when nobody sees it.
It is not perfect, but it was made with love.
Maybe Dad did not choose work over me. Ken is my friend. He always shares with me. You can have half of mine, because friends do not let friends feel sad alone. I made Ken feel small, but he did nothing wrong. Luca, I am outside if you want to talk. I need to say sorry, but I feel scared.
Being scared is okay. Hiding from sorry is not okay.
Then this is my mission. I must fix what I broke.
I am listening, Luca.
I was angry at Dad, but I put that anger on Ken.
That is an honest thing to say, and honesty is a brave start.
I am sorry I shouted, and I am sorry I did not listen.
I forgive you, but Ken needs to hear you're sorry from you.
I am sorry I am late. I tried hard to come back.
I was sad, Dad, and I thought you did not care.
I care about you every day, even when I make a hard mistake.
I missed you, and I wanted you at my cake.
Then I will stand beside you after you fix what happened.
First Ken, then cake. That sounds like the right order.
Let us go together, because saying sorry is easier with love nearby.
I am nervous, but I want to make this right.
Use true words, buddy. True words can heal a hurt friend.
Hi, Luca. Did you come to get your party back? I came because I hurt you, and I need to say sorry. I was sad because Dad was late, but you were kind to me. I forgive you, Luca. But next time, please tell me you are sad, not shout at me. This was not a perfect birthday, but it was a birthday full of love.